So this is my old Redmi Note 4 and I have installed ColorOS 15 based on Android 15 in it. Now you might be thinking, how did I do that? So let me show you the features of the ROM first, and then I will tell you how to install and where you can download the ROM as well. As you can see, the ROM is based on Android 15 and 4.9 kernel. 4.9 kernel is very old, but it's still usable and performs very well for this device. As you can see, there are some bugs as well, for example brightness bug, and for that an app is there named Brightness. You just have to give it the accessibilities permission, and then you can adjust the brightness using this app. This ROM is based on ColorOS Chinese version and it does not have Play Store by default, but you can install it from any browser. This ROM only contains the Chinese AI features, but you can add circle to search as well as AI eraser. I will provide the app in the description for the circle to search, and you can use Google Photos for AI eraser. This ROM has some other bugs as well, for example app lock, privacy and app hide feature doesn't work, but I will provide the solution or basically fix in the description. You can simply apply that. And for the bugs like Bluetooth, it may get fixed in the future update. You can stay tuned with me and I will provide the updated link if it ever gets updates. As you can see, no matter what I do, the privacy features doesn't work, for example app lock, app hide and privacy, but you can simply follow the solution in the description and it will get fixed. Overall, as you can see, the ROM performs very well in this old device. I will provide the link in the description for downloading the ROM as well as the fixes and installation guide as well. Now let me show you some of the app animation speeds. Overall, the ROM is almost daily drivable and I will provide all the links in the description. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the updates.